For the next muscle, we're going to look at Extensor Digitorum Longus. To review its origination point, it starts on the proximal fibula here, and as well as the interosseous membrane. It's going to run all the way down and supply the digits 2 through 5 in the foot. And we'll be able to see the tendon if he picks those toes up and back. Really nice webbing here. All that's going to be Extensor Digitorum Longus. So obviously the main action is to extend the toes as well as dorsiflexion in the ankle. Also want to point out there's a retinaculum here that prevents these tendons from popping up off the ankle. It keeps everything nice and tight here, so when tension is developed through here, it's kept nice and tight for mechanical advantage. Back in this extended position, we can see the outline of this muscle all through here. And for the muscle test, all I'm going to do is try and pull his toes this way while palpating there, hold there, and we can check out that muscle with a muscle test that way. And again, noticing all the tendons coming through here. If we're going to look at each individual toe for this Extensor Digitorum Longus, we can just check the pinky toe. And again, we can get a nice check on that tendon separately. Again, you can have a palpation hand stabilizing the front part of the leg as well.